Okay, the big day is here. Just few hours before the Independence Day, the dawn of a new age of motorcycle, new breed of motorcycles have been unveiled by Ola. None other than Ola. They have always redefined the game. And if you look at this, this is called the Diamond Head. This is the most, the showstopper you can see, and you can see the tires. These are Pirellis, and a proper authentic Supersport. Here you can see the proper aerodynamics, allowing you the air to channel through. Then you have yeah, if you can see there, retractable, not retractable, adjustable foot pegs. For sport mode you have rear set mode, and comfort mode you can push it further up for upright seating posture. And then as I told you, carbon fiber front fender, as you can see, LED lighting. I'm sure the concept is super enticing, but the production form will be different. So here you have the seamless tail lamp section, and the tread pattern. This is the Pirelli Scorpion tires, massive, maybe a 190 section. You have aluminium swing arm, again carbon fiber at the back, and here's the name, Diamond Head. अब ultraviolet का क्या होगा? That is a big question. You have dual disc brakes up front, and you have a belt drive here. That is something you need to understand, and a gas charged monoshock. So this is a quick overview, first look of the Diamond Head Supersport, launched from Ola on the eve of Independence Day. Makes us feel proud as Indians that these are products that are going to challenge the products out there, or set new standards for the ICE vehicles out there. End ICE age is something that they are serious about, and when you look at the products, well, you can understand that damn serious in trying to end the ICE age. But either ways, this looks very, very promising, and super intense and super futuristic, straight out of the cyberpunk universe. What do you guys think? I'll feature all the other silhouettes as well. The Cruiser is over there, and there's an Adventure, and there is the Roadster. So for now, this is what it is. The Diamond Head is hitting the nail right on the head in order to end the ICE age, and I'm sure it's going to change the way people look at motorcycles and EV vehicles. It is super futuristic and super sexy in every means. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.